Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a latte in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. Sometimes in the game, you will have a quest from the residents to make a latte, and I'll show you how you can do that. First of all, you need to have the coffee recipe. You can buy the recipe from Massimo, and then you need to prepare the ingredients. And for latte, this is the recipe. You need coffee beans and also milk. But guys, you can unlock this recipe after you make after you replace the ingredient from the original one. You can replace the coffee with milk. So you need 2 coffee beans and 2 milks. And after that, you will unlock this latte recipe. Okay, after you unlock the latte recipe, you can use this recipe to make latte. But when the first time you make latte, you can use the coffee recipe. Okay, just like so. Okay guys, and that's how we can make latte in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!